Hey guys, today I'll show you how to recover your Snapchat account even if you don't have access to your email or phone number. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. If you noticed at first I could not log into my Snapchat account, now kindly go to any web browser of your choice. Tap and search for the keyword Snapchat Reset. Select the first website. Now kindly type in an email you can access so you can reset your Snapchat password. As you can see, we have successfully reset our password. Now let's go to our Snapchat app and log in again. If you noticed, our new password worked perfectly and we now have access to our Snapchat account. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.